see us on stage in a little bit. I'm going to need you to dance with me tonight. So, yeah. Okay, thanks everybody. Take care. There's a whole bunch of free shit over here. Grab it. All right. This is Periscope. You're on. Pretty good one, huh? Okay. See you guys. Where are we going? Okay. How was it, everybody? Did you enjoy yourselves? Was it good? Was it fine? It was a good one. An awesome podcast 10. Awesome. Mike Lodka. I don't know who that is. Hi from the Philippines. You're on Periscope.
Hey, how are you? Karen?